Want to make positive changes but don't know where to start? Here are 8 simple habits that can improve your life in a big way. Let's get started. Daily planning. Got deadlines, commitments, and assignments piling up? Feeling overwhelmed and stressed? Try planning your day. Planning your day can improve productivity. When you prioritize your tasks and set goals for yourself, you're taking a certain weight off your shoulders. Phew. You'll also feel more organized, focused, and in control, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. Being organized can help you increase accountability, but be careful not to overdo your to-do list too much, or you might start to feel overwhelmed. Remember, you're in control. Stay hydrated. Water does more than give you clear skin and energy. It's essential for good health. From boosting immunity to improving digestion and mood, the benefits are vast. Dehydration can cause an increase in cognitive problems, negative mood, fatigue, and anger. Most people aren't hydrated enough. In fact, according to Quench, 75% of adults in the US suffer from chronic dehydration, drinking an average of 2.5 cups a day, while the recommended is at least 4 to 6 a day. Staying hydrated can improve so many aspects of your life, whether it be your mood, skin, health, and energy. So remember to keep a water bottle handy. Take enough breaks. That feeling when you're struggling to just get through the day, or you're getting a headache and not able to get anything done, is a rough one. Feeling tired and unproductive? Maybe you need to rest more. A quick power nap can do wonders for your mental focus and productivity. And who doesn't love a good mood boost? Your body needs rest, so take breaks when you can. Even a 10-minute nap can help. According to the Cleveland Clinic, 7 to 8 hours of sleep don't have to be consecutive. So take a short nap early in the day if you need to. Just remember, keep it to 30 minutes max to avoid sleeping through the night. Digital detox. Your digital devices constantly expose your brain to tons and tons of information.
You've been officially labeled a disturber of the peace.
This is called brain overload. According to neuroscientist Dr. Daniel Levitin, the brain is in a state of constant distraction, which can lead to us making bad decisions during critical times. We live in a new digital age where using devices daily is almost inevitable, but that doesn't mean you can't detox yourself from screen time. Reducing screen time can help you be in the present and practice mindfulness. It also can enhance your social connections and engage face-to-face with others more often, which can go a long way. Be a nature lover. Ever been told to touch grass?
What kind of game is that?
Okay, maybe this phrase is a bit funny, but according to the American Heart Association, going outside is great for reducing stress, improving your mood, and restoring your connection to the natural world, even if you're not an outdoors person. Getting that fresh air and stepping away from a life that revolves around working indoors all the time can be super beneficial, whether it be by hiking, campus, or taking a stroll in the park. A change of scenery might be just what you need. Daily kindness. The world is a place where there is no such thing as too much love. Can you think of a time where someone, even a stranger, was kind to you? How did that make you feel? Have you felt like you've wanted to pass that good deed along to someone else? According to a research paper published in the Psychological Bulletin Journal, kindness has been shown to increase self-esteem, empathy, and compassion, and also improve mood. An analysis of decades of research shows that when we are kind to others, we become healthier and happier ourselves. Being kind to others is easy. Why not make it a habit? Embrace imperfection. There's a style of Japanese pottery art called kintsukuroi, I hope I said that right, where broken pottery is repaired using gold or silver filling, with the understanding that the piece is more beautiful for being broken. While perfection may seem desirable, always striving for excellence can be stressful and anxiety-inducing. Studies have strongly and consistently related perfectionism to higher levels of burnout, stress, and anxiety. By embracing imperfection, you allow yourself to focus on progress over perfection, giving yourself room for growth and learning. Have you ever wanted to try something new, like playing an instrument or taking up crocheting, but avoided it out of fear that you'll fail? Just give it a shot. Taking risks is one of the best ways you can learn and eventually succeed. There's no need to be perfect. Life might be more authentic and fulfilling if you accept the imperfections in your life. Journaling. Journaling might just seem like writing in a book now and then on the outside, but it actually holds a lot of meaning when you get into doing it. Writing about your thoughts, feelings, and emotions can help increase your self-awareness, allowing you to identify different patterns or behaviors within yourself for deeper analysis and improvement. This process can also be stress-relieving, releasing everything pent up in your mind onto a piece of paper. Not only that, but you can also improve your memory and provide clarity and purpose in your life. So, what are some habits you plan to incorporate into your life? Or do you already do some of these? Share with us in the comments below. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, we'd really